Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about seed drills, components of seed drills, seed metering devices, different types of seed metering, for different types of furrow openers and closers, and calibration of seed drills. First, let's see what seed drill. It's a machine used for placing the seeds in a continuous stream in a furrow at uniform rate and at controlled depth, with an arrangement of covering the seeds with soil. According to the power source used, seed drills may be classified into bullock drawn seed drills, tractor drawn seed drills. According to the type of seed metering done, animal drawn seed drills may be classified into manually metered seed drills and mechanically metered seed drills. In manually metered seed drills, a person drops the seed in the furrows. In mechanically metered seed drills, a mechanical device called seed metering mechanism is used to meter the seeds. There are many designs of bullock drawn seed drills and tractor drawn seed drills which are used for sowing. Functions of seed drill. Seed drill performs the following functions. To carry the seeds, to open the furrows at uniform depth, to meter the seeds, to deposit the seeds in furrows in an acceptable pattern, to cover the seeds and compact the soil around the seeds. Components of seed drill: seed box, seed metering mechanism, transmission mechanism, furrow openers, covering device or furrow closers, clutch, hitch frame, transport wheels. Frame. It is usually made up of mild steel, angled sections and flats. It is strong enough to withstand all type of loads in working condition. All other parts of seed drills are fitted to the frame. Seed box. It is a box-like structure made up of either mild steel or galvanized iron and provided with a lid. In some designs, a small agitator is provided at the bottom of the box, which agitates the seeds while the drill is operating and prevents clogging of seeds. Seed metering mechanism is placed at the bottom of the box. Seed metering mechanism. The mechanism which picks up seeds from the seed box and deliver them into the seed tube is called seed metering mechanism. Seed metering mechanism may be several types: fluted feed type, internal double run type, cup feed type, self feed type, brush feed type, auger feed type, picker wheel type, star wheel type. Usually, seed metering mechanism is provided at the bottom of the box. Drive transmission system. The drive transmission system consists of a wheel, sprocket chain assembly, and a driven shaft that carries the seed picking discs. When the seed drill moves in the field, the drive wheel rotates due to its contact with soil, and the sprocket wheel also rotates. The chain connecting the drive wheel sprocket and driven wheel sprocket rotates the shaft carrying the seed metering discs. Furrow openers. These are the parts which open up furrows in the soil for placing the seeds. Different types of furrow openers is used, namely hoe type, shoe type, step runner type, full or curved runner type, single disc type, double disc type. In cultivated type seed drills, the tines works as furrow openers. Covering device or furrow closers. It is a device which closes the furrow with soil after the seed have been dropped in it. Covering the seed is usually done by chains, bars, packers, rollers, or press wheels designed in various shapes and sizes. Transport wheel. There are two wheels fixed at an axial for transporting the drill on roads. Iron wheels are used as transport wheels. Some manufacture used pneumatic wheels. One of the transport wheel is fitted with a suitable attachment to transmit the motion of the wheel to the seed metering mechanism when the drill is in operation. Types of seed metering mechanism. Some of the seed metering mechanism used in seed drills are explained here. Fluted feed type. It is also known as fluted roller, is driven by a square shaft. There are horizontal grooves provided along the outer periphery of the wheel, and wheel can be shifted sideways depending upon the seed rate. These rollers are mounted at the bottom of the seed box. They receive the seeds in the longitudinal grooves and pass on to the seed tube through the seed hole. Internal double run type. It has a double face wheel. One face has a larger opening for coarse wheel, while the other face has smaller opening for small seeds. Flapper gate is provided at the bottom of the box, which covers the opening not in use. The rate of seeding is controlled by changing the speed of internal feed wheels. This is done by messing appropriate gears. Cup feed mechanism. It consists of a circular shaft mounted with many circular discs. Each disc is provided with several cups or spoon in a circular path. This arrangement is kept at the bottom of the seed box. When the shaft rotates, the disc also rotates. Seeds are picked up by the cups and then dropped into the funnel from where the seeds travel through the seed tube and reaches the furrow. The cups have two faces, one for large seeds and the other for small seeds. Self-feed mechanism, in which seeds are collected and delivered by a series of equally spaced cells engraved on the periphery of the circular plate or wheel. Brush feed mechanism. It is a mechanism in which a rotating brush regulates the flow of seed from the hopper into the seed tube. Several bullock-drawn planters in the country use brush feed mechanism. Picker wheel mechanism. It is a mechanism in which a vertical plate provided with radially projected arms pick up and drop the seeds in the furrow. It is suitable for large size seeds like potatoes. Star wheel mechanism. It is a feed mechanism which consists of toothed wheel rotating in an horizontal plane and conveying the fertilizer through a feed gate below the star wheel. Agar feed mechanism. It consists of an auger which moves the substance from the container and delivers into the field uniformly. Fertilizer drills are usually provided with auger feed mechanism. Some manufacturers use this mechanism in seed drill also. Types of furrow openers. The furrow openers are provided in a seed drill for opening a furrow. The seeds travel through the seed tube and reaches the furrow. Different types of furrow openers. First, shovel type is widely used in seed drills. There are three types of shovels used. They are reversible shovel, single point shovel, and spearhead shovel. It is best suited for stony and root infested fields. The shovel are bolted to the shanks at their bottoms. Boots are fitted at the back of the shovel, which carries the delivery end of the seed tube. In cultivator type seed drill, shovel type furrow openers are used. Chute type. It works well in trashy soil where the seed beds are not smoothly prepared. They are made from two flat pieces of steel welded together to form a cutting edge. It is specially suited for black soil. Bullock drawn 3-tine seed drills are provided with chute type furrow openers. Disc type. There are two types, single disc and double disc type. Single disc type. Disc type furrow openers are suitable to fields where plant residues or trashes are used as mulches. It consists of curved disc made up of hardened steel. It is set at an angle which while working shifts the soil to one side, making a small furrow. Seeds are placed in the furrow. The disc is kept clean by two scrubbers, one toe shaped at the convex side and one T shaped at the concave side. It works well in sticky soils also, but the discs are costly and maintenance is bit difficult. Double disc type. In double disc furrow opener, there are two flat discs set at an angle to each other. The disc opens a clean furrow and leaves a small ridge in the center. The seeds are dropped between the two seeds, providing more accurate placement. It is suitable for trashy lands. Seed drills operate at high speeds. Usually used this type of Seed drills operated at high speeds usually use this type of furrow openers. Seed tube. Seed tube are provided at the lower end of the feed cup. They conduct seed from feed cup to the furrow line through suitable boots and furrow openers. Polypropylene, rubber and steel tubes are used as seed tubes. Minimum diameter of seed and fertilizer tube is 25 mm. Boot. It is a part of the sowing equipment which receives the seeds of fertilizer from the seed tube and delivers to the furrow. It is made up of cast iron or mild steel. Type of furrow closes. Drag chain, drag bars, scrapper blades, steel press wheels, zero pressure pneumatic press wheels, disc hiller and various combination of these are used as furrow closers. Seed cum fertilizer drill. Seed drill fitted with fertilizer dropping attachment are called seed cum fertilizer drill. They deliver both the seeds and fertilizer simultaneously in an acceptable pattern. It has a large seed box which is divided lengthwise into two compartments, one for seed and other for fertilizer distribution. Functions of seed cum fertilizer drill. To carry the seeds and fertilizer in separate compartments, to open furrows at uniform depth, to meter the seeds and fertilizers, to deposit the seed and fertilizer in the furrow in an acceptable pattern, to cover the seed and fertilizer and compact the soil around the seed. Calibration of seed drill. Laboratory testing of a seed drill to determine the rate of seed delivery is called calibration of seed drill. This is done to ascertain whether a seed drill delivers the seed in accordance with the recommended seed rate or not. If any discrepancy is found between the seed delivery of the drill and the recommended seed rate, then the seed metering mechanism is adjusted to deliver correct seed rate. This method avoids the difficulty of setting the seed delivery rate at the seed drill in actual field condition. Procedure for calibration. First, determine the width of sowing of seed drill. Width is equal to m into s in meters. M is number of furrow openers. S is spacing between the furrow openers. Find the length of strip of land L for an area of 1 by 25 hectares. L is equal to 1 by 25 into 1000 into 1 by W. So we will get L is equal to 400 divided by W meters. Determine the number of revolution N of a ground wheel of the seed drill required to cover a strip of length L meters. L is equal to pi into D into N. So L is 400 by W. From this, N is equal to 400 divided by pi into D into W RPM. Jack up the seat drill so that the drive wheel turns freely. Make a mark on the drive wheel and then corresponding mark at a convenient place on the body of the drill to help count the revolution of drive wheel. Fill the seed in the seed hopper. Place a container under each boot for collecting the seed dropping from the hopper. Set the seed rate control adjustment for maximum position and mark this position on the control for reference. Engage the clutch and rotate the ground wheel for N revolution. Weigh the quantity of seed collected in the container and cover the observation and record the observation. Calculate the seed rate in kg per hectare. If the calculated seed rate is higher or lower than the desired rate of selected crop, repeat the process by adjusting the seed rate control adjustment till the desired seed rate is obtained. So this is about seed drills. So in this video we have seen about what is seed drill, components of seed drill and its working, different types of seed metering devices, and finally calibration of seed drill. Thank you.